Can methylene blue improve your mitochondrial function and in doing so protect your brain, heart, and liver? So we actually have some research on this, so let's take a look at it now. Animal studies suggest that methylene blue can bypass the damaged parts of the mitochondrial electron transport chain. For example, in a study that was published in 2015, mice that were given toxic levels of acetaminophen were given methylene blue injected through their stomachs. It was reported that methylene blue protected their livers by boosting ATP production and protecting liver cells from destruction. In other studies involving Alzheimer's disease, stroke, and traumatic brain injury, methylene blue has likewise been found to reduce oxidative stress and improve mitochondrial function, and in some studies it's also been shown to improve cognition as well. And for more on that, see my other videos on methylene blue, and I'll link to those below. So much for animals. What about people? Well, in this paper, which came out in 2024, individuals who had bipolar issues received a single dose of methylene blue intravenously, and that dose was 0.5 milligrams per kilogram. Brain scans of these individuals showed a greater drop in brain oxygen levels compared to healthy individuals. And the drop was especially noticed in areas of mood regulation. That drop in oxygen levels could indicate a reduction in metabolic flexibility, which would actually be a bad thing and not a good thing. Now, while most studies don't show negative side effects with methylene blue, I would push back on this and say there's just not a lot of human research so far. That said, if you take medications like SSRIs, ADD medications, and maybe others, there could be a dramatic spike in serotonin levels. This could lead to a condition called serotonin syndrome, and that would not be good. Again, I'll point you to my other videos on methylene blue to see that, and I will also point you to what is stated on the StatPearls website, which states that there is no known antidote for methylene blue toxicity. Keep that in your mind if you're going to experiment with this stuff. So while the animal research appears to show that methylene blue acts as a mitochondrial rescue agent, and that's a good thing, right now the human research is few and far between with little concrete evidence. And because of that, you should do your due diligence and investigate who you're taking your advice from about methylene blue when you're searching for answers online.